What's up, guys? So today I'm back at Starbucks and I came back for the midnight drink and I doctored it up. I added the vanilla cold foam, 3 shots of vanilla syrup. Ultimately, I settled for 1 shot of hazelnut just to see how it interacts with this vanilla bean powder. I originally had added strawberry puree because I remember back in the good old days, before the violet drink was discontinued, I was adding strawberry puree to that mug and it tasted good. But I ultimately refrained from it this time around because in the event the vanilla doesn't help it, based off whatever flavor it gives it, because I know it's going to help it, I will determine whether or not the strawberry puree is what it needs to perfect it. And what's funny about me picking this up is that I had placed the order ahead to pick up at the store. I get to the store, my order is done, but it's on their preparation counter, not at the pickup counter. Technically, I could have slid between the trash can that's blocking the pathway to make it to their side of the counter, but I don't do that. I'm not an employee. I like to respect workspaces. I had to wait like an extra 3 minutes before I was acknowledged. I literally pointed at it and that was the end of it. All right. I had to order it venti because I was afraid that if I order it grande, they usually don't have like a lot of space for the foam. Like the lid itself is gonna like rob me of the foam. They should have used a different lid for this, but it's okay. So far, it smells about the same, but a little bit mellowed down. Let me take a sip from it because I know that this is gonna splash on me. And if it gets on my leggings, we're gonna have problems. Okay, I was right. Vanilla helps it. As I was sipping on it, I didn't feel that sour punch that I was telling you guys about last time. The flavor that it does have going on is not bothering me. I will say that I think it does need the strawberry because the strawberry is going to add a flavor that I like, which is strawberry, and it's going to battle against a flavor I don't like, which is blackberry, and it's going to make it good because strawberries and vanilla go well together. And if the vanilla is already like beating up the blackberry, then tag teaming it with strawberry would elevate it. So this is pretty good, but still not perfect. I think the strawberry puree would have helped it. The hazelnut, I'm not picking up on it very much, so I can't give it any kind of credit. But I'm willing to try this one more time, and I'ma give it an extra pump of hazelnut, and I'll add the strawberry puree and see what happens. In the event that's still not perfect, based off this taste, I can tell you that I could introduce a chocolate foam, and the chocolate foam is going to tag team with the vanilla flavors, and the chocolate and strawberry go well together. So the chocolate with strawberry with vanilla will triple threat on the blackberry flavor. And I think that would bring it pretty close to what the violet drink was before it was discontinued, minus the presence of what I believe to have been blueberry. But so far, like I said, I believe this has the potential of being pretty darn good when I tried it for the first time. And I'm finding it. Slowly but surely, I'm finding it. I think all it needs is those modifications. So I think I'm going to try this 2 more times. I'm going to try it with this recipe, but a little bit elevated. Extra shot of hazelnut, the strawberry puree. And in the event I'm still not convinced, I'm going to try it 1 more time. And it'll have the chocolate foam, and I'm not sure if I want to do the vanilla powder or if I want to do the chocolate powder. But if that were to not work out, then I think that maybe the chocolate powder would be a good idea as well, because there's already plenty of vanilla. There's like vanilla coming from the syrup, the foam, and the powder. So what if I have chocolate in the form of powder, foam, and then I add hazelnut to it, a little bit more hazelnut, and then the hazelnut and the chocolate can fuse, and that'll mitigate the blackberry issue. It's possible I may need to try this 2 or 3 more times before I figure it out. Now I'm imagining it with chocolate, and I think it would work actually. It won't work by itself. You have to help it. And that's when you play with the syrups. So yeah, you guys, this I could get again. Now, midnight drink plain on its own, nah. It still has that medicine-y kind of flavor, but it's pleasant now because it's been mellowed out. The amplified tart flavor it had that I wasn't fond of, this is mitigating it. Now I gotta do something about that medicine-y flavor. That's why suddenly I had the idea of the strawberry puree, but I desisted from it. And now I'm thinking, damn, I was right. I should have left it there. But then I was worried about excess sweetness. But I guess I shouldn't worry about that because the pumps of flavor are gonna elevate the sweetness. Can I really not survive strawberry sweetness? I have never tried the strawberry cold foam. I don't think I ever will, but it is an option as well. I think doing that would berry it up really well to make it like a mixed berry flavor. If I did that, I guess vanilla powder and maybe like 3 shots of vanilla is all it would need really. This is not bad. It just needs a little bit more help. Well, there you guys have it. That's it for me. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll keep you posted on how this goes.